So for our next question, the value of a building is modeled by the equation f of x equals 2x3 minus 7x squared plus 4x. So for part A, we're supposed to find the average rate of change at an interval. The interval I chose was -3 to 3. So we're just going to sub in -3 and 3 into the equation. And for -3, we got -129. And then for 3, we got 3. So after that, we're just going to use the formula. The average rate of change is equal to delta y over delta x. So we do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we get 132 over 6. And that means we get the average rate of change from -3 to 3 is going to be $22. For B, it's to find the instantaneous rate of change, and the point I chose was 2. So the intervals that we're going to use is just going to be 1.99 and 2.01. So just like last time, we're going to sub in 1.99 and 2.01 into the equation. And for 1.99, we got -3.999502. And then for 2.1, we got -3.99498, which makes sense because it's supposed to be where the tangent line is supposed to be 0. So the IRC, which is the instantaneous rate of change, is the same formula. So it's going to be delta y over delta x. And we get -3.99498 minus -3.99502 over 2.01 minus 1.99. And we're going to get 4.522 times 10 to the power of -3 divided by 0.02. And our answer is going to be 0.2261. So that means the IRC at 2 is going to be 0 because we can tell by the centered interval that it's very close to 0. So we know that the IRC is going to be 0 and that the tan line is going to be 0.